So what I got here today is a blade from a pruning shear. I removed this from the rest of the handles, and there was another section. You know, it was a fully functional pruning shear. It actually had rusted shut, so it actually wasn't a useful tool anymore. But since this already kind of looks like a Viking Seax, with the blade being there and that being the spine, what I'm going to do today is make this into the tang. Maybe do a little bit of work on the blade here, because it is a chisel grind right now basically. But hopefully it won't take very much work to make this into a Viking fighting knife. So here's what the Seax looks like after forging. I was mistakenly calling it a Viking Seax. It's actually more of the Anglo-Saxon style, so it would actually be called a Seax. And what I'm going to do today is incise some designs onto the blade in the pattern of the Beagnoth Seax that was found in the River Thames. It's a pretty neat weapon. You can check that out online. So, off camera, as I was working on the Seax here, the tang melted off. And I think there was a couple contributing factors to that. One of them is there was a hole from the original pruning shear blade, so it was already kind of weakened there. And then also, I was working in direct sunlight on the anvil, so I couldn't quite see the temperature of it. So, and then also I got distracted with something else, just left it in there too long, and it melted off. So I'm still going to try and make the best of it, but just had to show you real fast what happened here, because it happened while the camera wasn't rolling. But I'm going to finish up some of the inscriptions there and finish up the tang. Okay, so now that I've got the spine of the knife inscribed, nice, I'm going to heat it up to temperature and then anneal it in some warm wood ash to soften the steel. Okay, so here's what the Seax looks like after annealing. So it should be soft enough to properly file it to shape. But I'm going to clean it up with some water and sandstone, and we'll see what it looks like. And now I've just got it soaking in some old vinegar. The vinegar is actually turned red because I've used it on other knives and bits of steel. But I'm just going to let it soak in here overnight, and we'll see how it looks. Looks like a lot of that, if not all of that, vinegar evaporated. So see what happens. Alright, so that's all I got for part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be more Viking.